September 2024. Torrential rain hits North Carolina, triggering flash floods that surge down valleys and destroy buildings. This isn't just a roof. This is the entire Asheville Tea Company building.
It just ripped it in half.
The flash floods smashed through buildings, swept away vehicles, and destroyed roads and bridges. In the hills, the rain triggered landslides that buried homes and cut off roads. As the search begins for the missing, people want to know, why did this happen here and now? Despite its mountain location far from the coast, Asheville's geography actually makes it vulnerable to floods. Parts of the city run along valleys, close to the French Broad and Swannanoa rivers. And the mountains around the town help generate rain.
Western North Carolina, upstate South Carolina, it's got a unique feature called the Blue Ridge Escarpment. The terrain rises very rapidly. So you have this air that's being lifted up against the Blue Ridge Escarpment, and as the warm air rises, it condenses and it starts raining. And it just all starts routing down from this creek to this creek to this creek. Eventually, the larger streams start rising. And this is where they live. Nobody in this part of the country that's alive has ever seen anything like this before. It was devastating.
So why was this flood so extreme?
The convergence of many factors produced a rainfall machine. One of the factors with this particular case was a cutoff low.
A cutoff low can form when an area of cold, low-pressure air gets cut off from the flow of the jet stream. This high-altitude rotating mass of low-pressure air can draw in moist air from below.
The fact that they are cut off from the main flow in the atmosphere means that they sit in one location and pump moisture into the same region for several hours to days, even up to a week.
When Hurricane Helene made landfall, the winds spiraling around the cutoff low pulled the storm toward it. Downgraded to a tropical storm, Helene barreled into the Blue Ridge Mountains and dropped even more rain onto Asheville and the surrounding area.
In portions of the Black Mountains, we had 7 to 10 inches of rain leading up to Helene. And then we had over a foot of rain with Helene. And as it just keeps raining, again, it just set up for just a horrific, horrific event.